Okay, on initial purple belt, let's first listen to what we are trying to play. Okay, so focusing on a couple of the things that we need to prepare for. First, the main thing is that we're trying to get better at switching from A to B back to A. So I have many fast changes, B to A, and you'll want to be careful from the two alternating patterns. We have A, B, A, B, and then we switch to A, B, A, B. All right, let's practice that. Let's sing it and keep your fingers on the recorder. Try to play the correct notes. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A. Let's do that again, singing and fingering. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A. All right, since I messed up, give me one more chance to get that correct. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A. Okay, now let's play it together. Ready? Okay, let's do that at least two more times. Okay, third time through. And last time. That's initial purple belt challenge.